Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. With all that is new in this emerging tech world, Asus successfully completes the official signing ceremony with Intel Corporation, signifying the handover of Intel's next unit of computing NUC product lines. Asus will now be responsible for manufacturing and selling Intel NUC systems spanning from the 10th to the 13th generation along with the development of future NUC systems. Intel NUC solutions are compact, customizable devices designed for various applications including business, edge computing, and gaming environments. After the handover, Asus initiated its NUC business and began accepting orders for NUC systems from the 10th to the 13th generation starting on 1 September. This transition presents numerous opportunities for Asus, expanding its product portfolio and strengthening its position in the market. Asus' newly established NUC business unit, NUC BU, envisions providing cutting-edge edge computing solutions including comprehensive commercial and AIoT offerings to support industries and businesses. The collaboration between Asus and Intel aims to drive innovation in small form factor computing and cater to the evolving needs of diverse industries. Next up, we have OpenAI's ChatGPT Plus offers a new web browsing feature called Browse with Bing, exclusively for paying Plus and enterprise customers. Limited details are available about its functionality and scope, leaving users potentially unsatisfied. Google is working on an emoji feature for Gmail on iOS and Android phones, allowing users to react to emails with a single emoji. 5 default emojis are available for quick reactions. Limitations include potential spam and incompatibility with encrypted or BCC received emails. The update is expected to roll out in batches this month. Lava introduces the Blaze Pro 5G smartphone with a 6.78-inch Full HD plus 120Hz display, Dimensity 6020 and 8GB RAM. The phone features an 8-megapixel camera, a 3.5mm audio jack, and runs on Android 13 with an August 2023 security patch. Oppo India prepares to launch the Find N3 Flip smartphone in India. Expected specifications include a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED inner screen, 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. The device offers various color options and runs on Android 13 with ColorOS 13.2. Features a versatile camera setup including a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS support. Next up, we have the Tecno Phantom V Flip 5G launched on 22 September is now available in India. It features a clamshell foldable design, MediaTek Dimensity 8050 SoC and a 4000 mAh battery with 45-watt wired fast charging. The phone runs on Android 13.5 OS, offers 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, expandable to 16GB and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, equipped with a dual camera unit, 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, NFC and Bluetooth 5.1. At last, BMW car owners report overheating issues with their iPhone 15 due to NFC chip burning during wireless charging. Initially, the problem was reported by Mac Rumors but could potentially affect any wireless surface. Mainly affects titanium iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max models with the latest A17 Pro chip, but standard iPhone 15 and 15 Plus models may also face similar issues. Apple acknowledges the problem and cites increased background activity, unspecified iOS 17 bug, and certain third-party apps overloading the system. Apple is working on a software update to resolve the issue. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
All you need to know about Big Billion Days. Point number 1, आप 2 से 3 अकाउंट से लॉगिन करके जरूर रखिएगा क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी सेल होती है और बहुत जल्दी सारे फोन्स निकल जाते हैं। नंबर 2, अगर आपको एक आईफोन मिल रहा है जो आप बजट के अंदर लेना चाहते हो, उसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ आपको देखनी पड़ती है। जैसे अगर आप आईफोन 12 ले रहे हो जो आपको 25 से 30 का मिलने वाला है, उसमें 5G अनेबल नहीं है और कलर के पीछे मत भागेगा। ये टिप नंबर 3 थी। पॉइंट नंबर 4, आपको अपने क्रेडिट कार्ड वगैरह पहले से अपडेटेड रख। विद इन फ्यू सेकंड्स बहुत सारे यूजर अटेम्प्ट करते हैं बाय करने का, तो बहुत सारी चीजें जल्दी ही बिक जाती हैं। एक भी मौका नहीं छोड़ना है अपनी चीज को खरीदने का। साथ ही साथ आपको एक चीज बता देता हूँ, Amazon सेल एंड बिग बिलियन डेज के सारे टेक अपडेट्स कब लेने हैं और कितनी जल्दी लेने हैं, कितने प्राइसिंग में लेने हैं, सब मिलेगा आपको IT वॉइस के साथ। टिल देन फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर। मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में। और